see where that open print hits. If we're over that black magic, I'd like to see a long 41.38. It's the 60-minute 9 is just below it. In fact, it'll probably be right there when we open. That'd be a good 60-minute setup.
Order filled.
I had a calculated order sitting out on the option chart. I got hit. That's it. We need to hold this area. We got a nice, this is the black magic here on the 5. That's as far as this. Anyway, it was really close to my stop is where it was at. So I'm adding, I got that full 1R, got it started there, got my ad. Now I got to stop in place. Used to hold this area or it's taking me out. Keep going.
Order filled.
There you go. Stop me out. Now you're going to work. Now you can rip faces off. If I would have just kept my stop at 450, I've been set. Watch this thing to rip faces off. I'm going to take this trade though. There's enough there, I think. So I got stopped out with a 30-cent stop. Now I got a full. I just took full size right there instead of half. So I took a full 1R loss. Now I got a full size long on with a better average than I had before. So okay. It's gonna be patient, looking for open prints. Target. I'm gonna take some profits here. There we go. I got almost $3 out of those. I sold most of them. Looking to add again, man. I should already pulled the trigger there.
Order filled.
So I've paid myself 80%. Pulled back into 50. Added another strike. 3 minutes in this 5-minute candle, so we can at least break the highs of this candle here. I really don't want to take anything off here. It's not enough risk reward, so I'm just gonna wait till we break. If we break this 5-minute candle, sell into the open print.
Order filled.
There we go. So I got a couple bucks out of those. Sell a little bit. Pay myself well here, there. And then if we break up, I'm looked at another strike. That's what I'm gonna do. That way I still have a couple here. And then if we can pull back into this 44, tap that 5-minute 9, pull back into this. I'm not going to add anything. You got a profit stop in place. That's how I'm going to play this. I'm going to add another strike if I can get a good setup. Otherwise, I'll just ride these 2 contracts up to the top of the 41.60 and unload them if I can't get another good setup.
Order filled.
I'm closing it. That's close enough to my target in 5 minutes. I'll get the F out. We're sitting at the 15-minute black magic. I can always get back in. I'm out completely 100% out the long. Just got $12 out of those, $13 out of those.